Welcome to 2022 Kimberbell Digital Exclusive Embroidery Club. Wow, that's a mouthful, isn't it? So guess what? So this year for Kimberbell, last year we had the Kimberbell blanks. This year we have a digital download. What makes this really nice is that we're going to be able to give you 3 different kinds of options. So you can join and do just a monthly kit. So I'm gonna cheat here and I'm gonna show you. So here's our January, which is I'm all ears, and then also the little pineapple. So you can kind of see the little bunny, the cute little bunny, and then you see this gorgeous little pouch. You can use this for great gifts, anything. But so the kits you can join and just do month per month. So if you say, okay, Jennifer, this month I just want the bunnies. Okay, it's $10. Jennifer, I want your kit. It's just $10. So that's the really neat thing. Now, if you join our Premier, the Premier actually would include every kit for every month. It would include all the digital downloads you need for these events or these projects. And it would also include a 13th project. So instead of just 12, you'd get 13. So, or if you say, Jennifer, I want to use my own fabric and my own kits, then you could just do the embroidery downloads for $89, which is actually a pretty good deal. So if you're doing the math at home, 13 times 10 is 130. So, to be able to get 13 designs for $89, that's a pretty good deal. The membership to Premier includes all the kits. So anyway, we'd love to have you join us. We'd love to be your Kimberbell shop. We have some amazing Kimberbell fabrics. We have all kinds of projects going on. And once a month we have a Kimberbell event. As well as in our ZZC, our creative club, we also have some embroidery options there as well. So join us. We'd love to have you join us and be a part of our family. Thank you.